The stock market seems complicated. It's not. Let me explain it like you're 5 years old. A company needs money. Apple wants to build a new factory. They need $1 billion. They have two options. Option 1, borrow money, debt. But then they have to pay interest. Option 2, sell ownership, equity. They divide the company into 1 billion pieces. Each piece is called a stock. They sell 500 million pieces to investors. Now those investors own 50% of Apple. When Apple makes profit, investors get a share of it. How do you make money? Two ways. Way 1, dividends. Apple makes 100 billion profit. They give shareholders $50 billion. You own 1,000 shares? You get your share of the dividend. Free money just for owning. Way 2, price appreciation. You buy Apple at $150. Years later, it's $200. You sell. You made $50 per share profit. How does price change? Supply and demand. More people want Apple stock, price goes up. More people want to sell Apple stock, price goes down. Why would demand change? Apple announced new product, good news, now demand up. Apple had bad earnings, bad news, shrunk demand down. Overall economy improving, demand up. Overall economy collapsing, demand down. Stocks versus bonds versus crypto. Stocks. You own part of company? Slower growth, 8 to 12% yearly average. More stable, you get dividends. Good for 10 plus year investing. Bonds. You loan money to company? They pay you interest? Super stable. Slower growth, 3-5% yearly. Good for safety. Crypto. No company behind it. High volatility, 50% to float 200%. No dividends. Risky. Good for risk takers. How to start? Step 1, choose a broker. Examples, Vanguard, Fidelity, etc. Step 2, open account. Step 3, deposit money. Step 4, buy stocks. Which stocks to buy? If you don't know what you're doing, buy index funds, SPY, VTI, etc. Why? Because it holds 500 plus stocks. You're diversified automatically. If one company fails, you don't care. Average return 10% yearly. That's wealth building. The reality. Most people who pick individual stocks underperform index funds. Why? Because picking is hard. Index funds are boring. Boring beats exciting in markets. Every time. So what's my advice? If you want set and forget wealth, index funds, monthly investment, 10 plus years. If you want to learn and trade, start with one stock you understand. Apple, Tesla, whatever. Watch it. Learn price movement. After 1 year, you'll understand better. Comment below, what stock interests you? Let me know, I'll explain why or why not. Subscribe for stock market education.